back to the channel. This is Prasad and you are watching the Absolute Rider. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Yes, the bike is almost 6 years old and I still did not clean and lube my chain on myself. But this time I thought even I should learn something to maintain my bike. So this time I have ordered the Motul's chain cleaner and the chain lube. So this costed me somewhere around 1000 rupees on Amazon. It's a combo offer with the chain cleaning brush as a complimentary. So this costed 1000 rupees. I will be putting the link in the description below. And yeah, I will clean the chain and lube it on myself today. And I thought I should be doing a video on this as of how I can do this and let you guys know how to do it. And I will be telling some safety tips and measures so that you can take care of your hands as well. So I will be using my old riding gloves so that it shouldn't harm my hands. But before going to start this process, I want to show in which condition my bike is. Previously we had been to Kanwa Reservoir ride and we had done a bit of off-roading in a wet surface. So the bike is too dirty right now and I want to show you in which condition the bike is. And I don't think it will be good if I clean the chain right now in this condition. So let me just show you in what condition it is. So guys, this is the condition of my bike right now. As you can see, the chain's condition, the tires condition, and just look at the silencer guys. So this is the condition of my bike. So I'm thinking of getting the bike washed, because if I did this process before cleaning the bike, I don't think it will be useful for me, because the chain's lube and cleaner gets wasted because of the water. So I am first thinking of getting the bike washed with the diesel and then we will do this process. So let me get the bike washed and see you later guys.
Oh, I won't be so cold like I was before. Oh, I will find a way back from the rain and the storm. And I will form a picture of my future painted in gold. And time ain't got no reason when you're lost in the light. Show me the light to lead the way. I need some time to be okay.
So guys, the bike is washed right now and let's check how clean the bike is. So I will just show you how clean the bike is. As you can see, the tires now look like really new. And as you can see, the rear part of the bike is clean as well, because we had a diesel wash for the first time, so it's too clean right now, but there are still the stain left on the chain. So we will be cleaning it up with the Motul chain cleaner and chain lubricant. So yeah, the paper is ready and we have this riding gloves. It's from Skoiko and it's very old guys, and this has the knuckle guard on the front part, and if I mess something with the tires, this will take the impact. So that's the reason I am using these gloves. So yes, let's start the process. So first we will be cleaning up the chain, the wet chain, with the help of one particular cloth. We will be starting the bike and putting the bike on first gear. So guys, I used this rough part of the cloth because if you use the thinnest part, then there might be the chances of the cloth getting stuck inside the chain or inside the tire. So that's the reason I used this part of the elastic of the cloth. So after this, what we'll be doing is we'll be going to clean the chain with this C1 Motul chain cleaner. So let's start the bike again. Yes, I will be applying the chain lube right now. So guys, after changing the chain from the Motul chain cleaner, as you can see the difference, before it used to be like a bit dull, and right now as you can see the chain is shining a bit, the teeth are more visible than before and it's very clear right now. And we'll be leaving this for 5 minutes like this so that all the dirt particles can come down, and I will show you the dust particles of the chain right now. You can see on the paper, those are the dust particles which are getting down from the chain. So after leaving the chain for 5 minutes like this, everything will come down and later we can apply the chain lube. So guys, the 5 minutes is over and as you can see all the dust particles on the floor, on the paper. So this is the max dirt particle which was there on the chain and it has all come down right now. And now let's start lubing the chain with this Motul chain lube. So let's start the bike once again. Shake well before use. So guys, right now as you can see how clean the chain's teeth are. So I'll just show you from the all angles. You can as well as see here. So this is the use of applying the chain cleaner and chain lube. So guys, by doing this process for every 500 km, the chain sprocket's life will be maintained really good. Because of that, the chain sprocket's life went really down and I had to change the new sprocket for 16,000 kilometers only. So it could have been a better life than that if I maintained it really well, but I didn't maintain that chain sprocket. So that's the reason it went for just 16,000. I don't know what is the exact life of any chain sprocket, and I had to pay 1,800 rupees or 2,000 rupees including the fitting charges. So you can save that money by using the lubricants or chain cleaner. You get different brands like 3M, you get WD-40, or you can go for Motul as well. I have seen that for Royal Enfields most of us use the Motul chain cleaner. So by doing this process, your chain sprocket life will be maintained and you can save the money as well. It just takes about 15 minutes to do the process. I used this particular gloves. It's almost like 8 or 9 years old. It's my elder brother's gloves. So it's already gone. It's too old. That's the reason I used it. But still, the glove did not touch the chain or a tire even once. So I did it with care and I am so proud of it. So even the gloves is saved today. So yeah, that's the safety tip which you can apply. And yes, this was the video about, and if you like this video, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss a new update, and share this video with your friends so that even they can do this process at their home as well. So by saying this, I would like to end this video here itself, guys. So take care, see you, bye bye.